Want to learn tech skills the easy way? You are in the right place. Hey everyone, I am Chandan and welcome to Mech Bro YouTube channel. This channel is all about making tech simple and practical. We are starting with HTML, the foundation of everything you see on the web, but there is a lot more to come. I'll be teaching you step by step with real world examples. Whether you are a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this channel will help you to grow in tech and analytics. So, if you are excited to learn, build, and analyze, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you don't miss a single lesson. Let's get started. Okay, before getting into HTML, let me explain you with proper example. In web development, we will use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is nothing but a markup language and it's a content. Like you can see in the example, it is a skeleton. Without a skeleton, our body cannot exist. So without structure, we cannot build anything on that web page. So HTML plays the main role in it, and after that we'll add CSS to it, like outer look, aesthetic looks, like how he's wearing outfit, like different outfit. He can wear different outfits. Like now he's wearing the blazer and jeans as well, and he can change the with the different colors as well. That is what he's catching stick in his hand. That is all outfit, like what kind of outfit he is wearing. That is all about the CSS. It's actually a presentation and style sheet markup language. Style sheet language, not markup, style sheet language. And JavaScript. JavaScript is nothing but behavior, and it's a programming language as well. And what kind of actions he is doing, that is what it is about, JavaScript. Like a person, you can see here, he is dancing here, and if he is running or sleeping or anything, what kind of actions he is doing, that is all about JavaScript. This is what you guys can understand properly. Now let's get into HTML. See here, before getting into HTML, I will teach you in theory part for in PPT for a few minutes. After that, practically I will show you in Visual Studio Code. Let's get into it. What is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language. Is a standard language used to create and design document on the World Wide Web. It is the standard language used to create and design a web pages on the internet. Don't worry, I will I will teach you. I will show you in practical way. And its structure, tags. HTML uses tags to structure content, and tags are enclosed in a angle brackets. Example: tag name, content, and closing tag name. Elements is an HTML element consists of a start tag, content, and the end tag. And some of the elements are self-closing, like image tag. You can see here in this element, yeah, this is what I am explaining. Opening tag and this closing tag, and between we will provide the content. The whole thing will call it as a element. Okay, I will show you in practically in Visual Studio Code. Don't worry. And document structure. Document structure, this is the proper structure. Like as I told you, in HTML it's a skeleton. It's a skeleton. It plays a skeleton role here. See, in this document type, HTML declares the document type and version of the HTML. And HTML is a root element of an HTML page. And head tag, it contains meta information about the document, such as the title and links to style sheets. And title tag sets the title of the documents and displays the browser tab. And body contains the content of the document, such as text and images and links. Now let me show you in practical manner so that you guys can understand properly. Let's get into it. Before showing in practice in Visual Studio Code, just download the Visual Studio Code. Let me show you how you guys can download it. Don't worry, I will provide the link in the description as well. Go to Google and press the Visual Studio Code. Type the Visual Studio Code here. Just press it, and you can see corner there is a download. Press that. If you are using Windows, use this Windows button, Windows link to download it. If you are using Mac, use this one, Mac. After downloading, you can see the Visual Studio Code like this. This is the icon. Just open it. This is how the Visual Studio Code looks. Okay, just just create one folder here. Just create. Let me create the folder here, like HTML tutorials. HTML tutorials. HTML tutorials. Okay. Just don't open it. Just open the Visual Studio Code. I already opened it. Let me open one more. Yeah. Open folder. You can see here open folder. Open it, and you can see in desktop I created it. So press the desktop. HTML tutorials. Open it. After opening this, just create new file. New create file like index dot html. One second. Sorry. We are using this one dot html for getting a proper html. For Python we'll use dot py. For css we use dot css. So it's a style sheet, right? So this is html. We are using dot html. Okay, just enter it. You can see here. Just now use the document structure. Let me provide you the document structure, how to do it. Just note it down. Document type html. This is what I document type html. Then after that just press html. Inside this html tag, wait, let me open the closing tag as well. Inside this html tag I am using head tag. Okay, and now I am using the body tag as well for content. One second, I will show you, don't worry. Body tag. Okay, inside this head tag I want to use the title tag. Title. See here, I am giving the name as for title I am giving the name as Mech Tech. Mech Mech Tech Bro. Mech Tech Bro. Okay, just download the extension before showing it in web page. Just to download the extension, go to the extension and press here live server, because I already downloaded it. So live server, I already downloaded it. So the icon looks like this. Just install it. Okay, now now press the right click, and you can see here open with live server. Just open it like this. You guys can see here, this is the title which I given, Mech Tech Bro. Okay, and it's totally blank. In this is the body part. See, I will show you once. In this body part, let me provide you with with examples, some tags. Suppose, one second. Let me use the h1 tag. H1 tag, and use MechTech. MechTech. Okay, MechTech Bro. Use MechTech Bro. Let me use this closing tag h1. Okay, see here, previously I said what is element. I to show you what is the element. Okay, the element is nothing but this whole thing, will call it as a element. H1 tag, oh, it's a opening tag. H1 is the opening tag, and H1 is the closing tag, and in between we provided the content. The whole thing we will call it as a element. Okay, Now open in live server, open with live server. You guys can see here Mech Tech Pro. Okay. If you enjoyed the content in today's video, please like, share and subscribe. It motivates me to create more videos. Thank you.